Rum chata rum. The amount of people I know who have gotten drunk off a Fireball and never drank it again is just staggering. What's up guys, my name is Kat and I'm the Liquor Fairy. This is the fourth drink of our 12 days of holiday cocktails. This shot is called the Snickerdoodle shot during the holidays, but during the rest of the year it's called the Cinnamon Toast Crunch shot, which is rum chata and Fireball. Fireball is one of the most famous cinnamon whiskeys and today is my first day of trying it. I have heard some stories about people drinking this, so I'm curious to see how I will react. So, for the first part of this drink, we're going to pour 1 ounce of the Fireball cinnamon whiskey into our shaker. Then after we pour the Fireball, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of the rum chata. Then cap your shaker and give it a nice shake. And once you're done shaking, go ahead and pour it into your glass. If you want, you can add whipped cream and cinnamon on top, but I did that with the gingerbread shot in the previous video, and this time I will not be doing that because that was a fail. It was almost impossible to drink. Couldn't take a shot with whipped cream on top. If you want to try this recipe, go ahead and like and subscribe so you do not miss any of the other videos coming with the 12 days of holiday cocktails. Now chug. Wow. That's intense. That is so good. That was my first time trying Fireball. It's not as dramatic as people made it be. Made it be? Camper saker. Fireball whiskey. Can't take a shot with whipped cream on top.